Okay, next. What's some relatively quick things we can do to make some money using SEO with a 3 to 5 year old website with decent link profile authority? Is it getting traffic? Because if so, put some sort of offer on it, build a list, collect leads. If it's getting a lot of traffic, you could put ads on it, right? So that you're getting ad revenue from people that are clicking on it. Yeah, I mean, that's about all I could say is if it's getting traffic, you could monetize it with ads, list building. So you could have an opt-in, relevant offers, CPA offers, things like that. Affiliate offers.
Another SEO.
Yeah. If it's a site that's got traffic and good metrics, as you're mentioning, why not sell links, sell posts, right? Again, if you've got good metrics, it's got good topical authority, clean metrics and all that kind of, and I say metrics because I don't give a shit about that. But unfortunately in our industry, most people still base the quality of a link based on Ahrefs metrics or Moz metrics. I mean, God love them. I love those people because they're not really my competitors. But if you can sell, why not sell links is my point. You can sell them based on metrics like everyone else does. But I don't think that's ethical. If you know the truth, if you know that third-party metrics really don't mean anything, then, how can you sleep at night if you sell links based on that? That's my point. That's why I don't sell links based on those metrics. I sell links based on topical relevance, period. If they have those other metrics, fantastic. That's a bonus. But I sell them on, it's funny because I've been selling links on Vetted, and occasionally somebody will buy links from me on Vetted, and then I deliver the links, and then I get a message in chat like, hey, I checked these in Ahrefs and it's got a DR of 6. Like, I thought these would be better quality. And I say, it says right on my gig page, I don't give a damn about Ahrefs metrics or Moz metrics. You think Google does either? I base mine purely on topical relevance, and I make that very, very clear in the gig description. And that's what I respond with in Vetted. Like, hey, it's very clear in the gig description. I don't even track those metrics. So that's why I'm saying, like, I think, again, I'm not trying to encourage you guys to become competitors of mine, but there's room in this industry for people that know how to sell links based on topical relevance. And there's a lot of people out there selling links on traditional metrics that mean nothing, in my opinion. And I've got testing that just proves that over and over again. I guess once you pass a certain threshold with these traditional metrics, then it's going to be a powerful link, whether it's super topically relevant or not, but it's hard to get those. So it's much easier to get links with lower metrics that aren't topically relevant, and they're not really producing an effect. You're wasting your money is my point. And again, all of that was described to me from this, right? I think I pointed these out before, but these are topically relevant, but it's all about relevance match at 2 different levels, the page level and the domain level. What are the topical categories of the target asset? What are you like? What is the topical categories of the page? And then the links that are pointing to that page, what are the topical categories of the referring page and in the referring domain? And if there's not a match all the way across, it doesn't have to be 100% match all the way across, but if there's not a match all the way across, the value of that link has been diminished. It doesn't mean it's entirely worthless, but the link value has been diminished algorithmically by Google via NLP API. Like, it scans it, it's built into the algorithm now. And if there's not a topical relevance match or related category match at both the referring page and referring domain level, then the link has been devalued. Again, maybe not entirely, but strength of the full value of that link has been diminished. So that's why I said it's funny that there's a lot of SEOs out there still selling links based on third-party metrics that aren't relevant. At least almost always at the page level they are, but at the domain level, it's very rare that you get domain level relevance match as well. So anyway, I'm very passionate about link building now, if you couldn't tell.